You've been called for jury duty. Where do you report? You want to file a lawsuit against someone who scammed you? Where do you start? Or maybe you've heard on the news recently that Maine is involved in a number of federal lawsuits. What does that really mean? Welcome to Courts 101. We hope to answer some of these questions and more about Maine's complicated and sometimes confusing justice system. But first, the basics. What levels are there in Maine's court system, and what types of cases do they deal with? In general, Maine courts have 3 tiers: the Supreme Judicial Court, Superior Court, and District Court. Let's start at the bottom. At the lowest level is District Court, where lesser criminal, family, traffic, and civil cases are heard. That could include divorce or custody, evictions, and juvenile cases. There are 27 scattered throughout the state. Superior Court is where most other civil, criminal, and business cases are tried. Those include appeals from administrative agencies like zoning boards and felonies, or cases where the defendant requests a jury, since Superior Court is the only level where juries are available. There's generally 1 per county, except Aroostook, where there are 2. The Supreme Judicial Court is the highest level of Maine's court system. Its 7 justices hear appeals and interpret laws for the state. There is only 1 in Maine. So how is this all paid for? A majority of the funding comes from the state budget passed by the legislature. That's to pay people in the court system and to maintain buildings and infrastructure. The court also gets federal funding, which also goes towards salaries and helps to fund things like treatment courts, which deal with substance abuse. And the court system also gets fees as part of judgments from traffic violations and other offenses.